Hey guys, Coop here. Let's make a bracelet. Now this is one of JD's knots I stumbled across the other day. It's an older knot, but I really like the way it turned out. He uses 2 colors. I used 3 colors, and I think it's pretty cool. Anyway guys, the link for this, as you guys all know, all of JD's knots, I put the links down below to his videos if you want to make these on ball and loop. If you want to make them with a buckle on a jig, this is the video for you. Now, right off the bat, you're probably seeing Paracord Galaxy sitting here. Well, it's not because they sponsor me or pay me. It's because all the cord that was used to make this bracelet comes from Paracord Galaxy. I buy all my paracord from Paracord Galaxy, not because they're any better than anyone else. It's only because they offer a bigger selection than most people do. The quality of service and everything that you get with Paracord Galaxy is just like with anyone else. If you're happy where you're at, stay there. Anyway guys, I just wanted to bring this bracelet out there to you, and hope you guys like it. I made this bracelet 8.5 inches long. It's a fairly thick bracelet, so you better take that into account. So if you've got 8.5, this is not going to fit my wrist. I'm going to have to make this in a 9.5 to fit my wrist. The amount of cord I used 9 feet of the blue, which I had 4 feet left over, so that was 5 feet of the blue, and I used 4.5 feet each on the green and the purple. Alright guys, let's get to making this puppy. Hey guys, let's get on with it. So to start it off, I've got my regular cow's hitch, half hitch, whatever you want to call it, down on the bottom. I've got my 2 cords spliced together and stuck down in the bottom of my buckle on the bottom jig. I go up through the top, out the back. Now to lock this down, since we're going to be using 3 cords, I'm going to go ahead and take my 3rd cord, find the middle of it, I'm going to drape it right across the top and push it up right like that. Now I'm going to take the right side, I'm going to go through the core, just like so. Bring it through the loop. Should look just like that. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this side, pull it down tight, pinch it with my 2 fingers, pull this all up tight, just like this. Now I'm going to do the same thing on the other side. Go down through the middle of the core, come out the hole on the other side. Should look just like that. Same thing. Pull it down tight, hold it with my fingers, cinch it all up nice and tight. And pull these tight. And we're ready to start making the bracelet. Now these 2 right here, the dark blues, we're going to bring right up through the middle. It don't matter which side they lay on, as long as you got right side and left side, you'll be alright. And to start this off, it's pretty simple. We're going to take the purple, we're going to go around, underneath, across the top, just like that. Now the blue on this side, we're going to take the blue on this side, we're going to go over the top of this, and right through here. And it should look just like that right there. Now it's pretty simple to tighten up. You just grab a hold of each 2 of them and you tighten them. Push them up as you're going along. Now that side's done. Now we're going to do the opposite side. Once again, we're going to go underneath everything, across the top. We're going to take the blue, we're going to go over the green, around the back side, through the hole. Should look just like that, guys. Once again, we're going to grab the two of them and pull them while pushing up at the same time. We're going to repeat the process. Now this time I'm going to shut up and I'm just going to do it. We're going to do one more, and then I'm going to pause you guys and we'll pick back up at the end. Over everything, through the loop on the other side. Just like that, guys. Grab and grab, pull and pull. Pushing up as we go. Alright guys, I think you got the hang of it. We'll pick back up at the end. Okay guys, now that we're down to the end, we're going to finish off like we did before. We're going to take the left side, go under the core, over the core, make our loop on the other side, take the blue, go around behind, come up through the loop. Should look just like that. Pull everything down tight. Now if you pull this slowly at first, and then when you get all the way down to it, pull it tight, that'll lock everything together. Do the same thing with the green. Under the core, over the core, take the blue, back around everything, back up through the hole. Should look just like that. Then you pull everything down tight. Alright, now what we're going to do now, I'm going to go ahead and cut these two blue ones right here. And we're going to finish off making a Solomon's bar right like it sets right now. Over, under, through the hole. And we're going to make sure that these get put up underneath there. Pull it down tight. Then we'll make one more, over, under, through the hole. And that should lock everything down in there. Alright guys, to finish it off, pop it off of our jig. Take and cut this one, and we cut this one. Take our handy dandy lighter here and let Coop get his glasses. And we're going to singe this one. I'm going to take my scissors, mash that guy down nice and flush, and we're going to come over to the other side and do the same thing on the other side. And there we go, guys. Once again, don't ask me to pronounce what the name of this bracelet is. It's one of JD's, and I think it's an awesome knot. That's what it looks like completed. You guys be sure, go down to the description box below, go over and check out JD's video on this, on the ball and loop. It's an awesome bracelet. Anyway, guys, you know we've got the Facebook page up and going, along with Swampville Craftables, and Pinterest, Instagram, Google Plus, Twitter, all the normal stuff. All the social media sites will be listed down below. Go over and join us on one of them, all of them, or none of them. It's entirely up to you guys. And with all that being said, I appreciate your support. Appreciate you taking the time to watch my videos. It means a lot to me. And old Coop's pretty much going to say, Coop out.